Hi everyone, just a little update on our electric conversion kit for small frame Vespas. So we've got a little Primavera here and a little Vespa 50 that we've both converted to electric. Now the 50 is just like our standard conversions we've been doing to date with the battery underneath. This is our 64 volt 26 amp hour battery, which will do about 20-25 mile. It's got the battery gauge here underneath the seat. Both of them are key fob, which you just click on and off, and you got LED lights and a cutout switch. Now over to the Primavera, it's actually got our latest upgrade, which is a second battery basically on the leg shield, where it used to be a leg shield spare wheel holder. We have now got the second battery, and on top of this little bag it's contained in is a battery charger, and it's all linked in, and basically you just use your plug here to plug it in and charge it up with the batteries on board. Now you got the battery at your knees and the battery underneath the seat as normal. And with the Primavera model, I've actually used the key ignition hole that was here for the battery gauge, which is it's no longer needed, the key ignition obviously. It's now just on and off with the key fob. So that's a nice touch. You can just keep an eye on the battery gauge as you drive. Now we could have always maybe drilled a hole in the headset on the 50 and had this there, but we don't really like drilling into the original chassis. But that hole where the key ignition was on the Primaveras is a Primavera ET3, by the way, is the right size for our battery gauges. But another nice touch with this twin battery is obviously extended range. So 20-25 mile range is now doubled to 45-50 mile on this one, and it's also got a little bit more poke to it as well with the twin battery system. We've upped the torque and the speed on the app, and it really flies, which I'll demonstrate in a little while.